Imagine shaving off hours of boring, repetitive work while building websites, and instead letting AI do the heavy lifting. Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, it's actually possible. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 AI tools for beginners that will completely change how you build, optimize, and manage websites. And the best part, they're free or super affordable. Stick with me, because by the end, you will not only know what tools to use, but exactly how to apply them step by step so you can save time, boost your workflow, and even impress your clients. Now, let's be real. Most developers spend hours debugging, writing boilerplate code, or generating SEO titles and content. That's where AI steps in. So let's dive into our first tool. Tool number 1. Codeium AI. Codeium AI. Coding assistant. Have you ever been stuck writing repetitive code or Googling how to fix this JavaScript error for the 100th time? Codeium is an AI-powered coding assistant that integrates right into your VS Code, JetBrains, you name it. You type a comment and it generates clean, ready-to-use code for you. For beginners, this is like having a 24/7 coding buddy who explains errors, autocompletes functions, and even suggests faster alternatives. Imagine you rebuilding a WordPress plugin or React component. Instead of spending an hour on setup, Codeium gives you a working template in seconds. This tool saves hours of coding headaches. Tool number 2. ChatGPT 4. Documentation and debugging. Yes, you've heard the hype, but most people don't actually use it strategically. As a developer, instead of scrolling endless Stack Overflow threads, you can paste your error directly into ChatGPT and get a simplified, step-by-step explanation. But here is the twist. You can also use it to write documentation instantly. Let's say you've finished coding a project, and your client needs a clean user guide. Instead of spending hours typing instructions, you feed ChatGPT your project flow, and it generates professional-looking documentation that you can deliver the same day. That's not just a time saver. That's a client-winning move. Tool number 3. Canva AI Magic Design for front-end and UI developers. Now, here's something you probably didn't expect Canva, but their AI-powered magic design and magic. Resize tools are lifesavers for developers who also manage content or UI work. Imagine you need banners, mockups, or quick graphics for a WordPress site. Instead of paying a designer or wrestling with Photoshop for 2 hours, Canva AI generates templates in seconds. You type modern tech landing page banner and it gives you ready-to-use visuals. You can even resize them perfectly for desktop and mobile with one click. That's hours of work done in under 10 minutes. And here's the bonus. All these tools don't just save time. They also make you look more professional. Think about it. Delivering a website faster, with cleaner code, complete documentation, and polished visuals means happier clients, better reviews, and more projects. Now, let me show you a quick comparison. Without these AI tools, building and optimizing a project might take 20 hours. With them, you can cut that down to 8 to 10 hours. Easily. That's a massive productivity boost. And if you're a beginner developer, using these tools gives you a head start on professionals who are still stuck doing everything manually. But here's the important part. Don't treat AI as a replacement. Think of it as a multiplier. The smarter you are with these tools, the faster you grow as a developer. So if you're ready to start working smarter, not harder, go try out Codeium for coding, ChatGPT 4, debugging and docs, Canva AI for design. I've linked all of them in the description. And before you go, hit that like button if you found even one of these tips useful. Subscribe because I have more AI tricks for developers coming up. And share this video with a friend who is still wasting hours on things AI can now do in seconds. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. And that's how you stay ahead in 2025.